Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can register into the Wakanim website. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.wakanim.tv and hit enter. After the home page of Wakanim opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see the register button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the register button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, click on the starter free trial option. After you click on the starter free trial option, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in all these credentials, tick on these terms and then click on the next step. Once you click on the next step, you'll be guided to step 2, which will help you to register into the Wakanim website. I hope this video helped you to register into the Wakanim website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.